So data is the data, right? The numbers are the numbers, but we also know that there's a major human element to all of this. And so I would like to see more RBTs, BCBA, the field in general, to lean more into the human element of it because the data is going to be the data. You can diagnose a kid and talk about the build a curriculum and talk about the things they need. But along those things that they need that human element, that human touch, that understanding the different cultures. Nick touched on it, everybody here touched on it. So I hope that they can lean more into the human element of it versus just looking at it as another maybe project that they have to try to complete or get to a finish line. Because the whole goal of ABA, when you're talking about behavior analysis, is that you're changing behaviors and that's great and everything. But like I was telling the fellas earlier, if my child is exhibiting a behavior that is not hurting him or hurting anyone around him, why are we trying to change it? Why is it something that my son is stemming, but he's not hurting himself and he's not hurting anybody around him? Why are we trying to now make him fit into this society where it should be the other way around, right? Society should be accepting him, should be trying to fit in. So it's things like that that I hope that people can take away from that and say, you know what, I'm going to start looking at the way I look at data differently, the way I start building my programs, my curriculum differently. That's what I'm hoping that happens moving forward.